What's up, boys? Second day at JapDays, also the last day. Kinda sad. Woke up in the tent. Fucking cold outside, so I didn't dare to walk out, but it's actually less cold outside than in the tent for some reason. Be prepping their cars to head to the show, and I can also hear people have started drifting and etc. So without further ado, let's go check it out.
You son of a bitch.
So I've never seen a K-truck before. This thing is fucking sick. What a unit. First Itasha livery spotted at the show. Fucking curtains and shit. So sheesh. I don't know how much I really managed to film today. Now the event's ended, so we packed everything up in the S2K. This time though, we managed to pack everything in the trunk, or basically everything, so we can go topless, sort of say. And everybody's leaving right now, so we're just doing a final cruise throughout the area to check it out once more. Cruising. So we're leaving Mantorp for now. We're done here, which is a shame, but the event was super nice and definitely looking forward to, if I'm able to go next year as well, then I would like to do some track driving with the S2K, because that looked like too much fun to not try out. Now I guess we're going to a couple of garages, and I don't know if I'll film in there. He needs to leave his caravan, and then we're going out to eat, I guess, because we're staying here and sleeping for another day, so we're not going all the way home tonight. Bye Mantorp. Yo, so Dual MTV owned this Mark 5 Supra with the fucking Street Hunter kit on it, and boy, this thing is so wide. Insane. We are back at the shop, finally. Got the S2K outside. She's done great. No hiccups or no problems all of the trip. But we went to Dual MTV, hanged out for a day and a half maybe, I guess. Didn't really film anything there. I think I have some Insta stories to put before this clip, so you guys will have seen that anyway. We checked out their shop also. Bunch of cool cars, really neat setup they've got going on over there, and a huge thanks to their hospitality and me and my friend getting to visit them. It was really nice, so if you're watching this, very nice. we'll meet again. And if you guys watching this speak Swedish, you should head down to their channel. I will link it in the description down below. Mark 5 Supra, Street Hunter kit, I don't even know, BMW E30, Saab engine, drift car build, S14, 2J swap incoming, Supra Mark 4. I guess the list goes on, but really nice people, and you should check out their channel. Other than that, I don't really freaking know what this video even consisted of. But I just want to say I got home, and the trip home has been, it's been too bad honestly. Like, we went maybe 100 kilometers, then I started feeling a bit sleepy, and we stopped by like a break place by the road, and I slept for like 2 hours, and I woke up, I felt I had a major fever, and I can still feel my head is so warm. So I was going between freezing a lot and getting insanely hot and sweaty in the car all the time. My head started to hurt. I also have some pain in my neck from sleeping at bad places this weekend, and yeah, I did not feel great, so my friend Bacon or Jonathan had to drive like from Stockholm to here, so yeah. It's been kind of a shit show, but at least we made it safely home, and now I can start to edit these couple of videos. I'm really looking forward to that. But I hope you guys enjoyed all the coverage from JapDays. I had a great time. I definitely hope I can be there next year as well. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, place a comment down below. If you want to check out my Instagram or Patreon page, links are down below, as well as the link to Dual MTV's YouTube channel. And I'll see you boys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice